Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, salam sejahtera. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Bapak dan Ibu yang terhormat dari Dirjen Dikti, saya ingin menunjukkan pernyataan diri dosen pada unjuk kerja Tridharma Perguruan Tinggi PDD UKTPT dengan saya Wiputra Cendana SPD MPD dari Program Studi Pendidikan Guru Sekolah Dasar Universitas Pelita Harapan. Di dalam spesialisasi yang saya lakukan di Universitas Pelita Harapan, khususnya di program studi pendidikan sekolah dasar adalah mengajar untuk pembelajaran matematika SD, di mana para mahasiswa akan mempelajari konsep-konsep utama matematika untuk siswa sekolah dasar kelas 4-6, kemudian juga konsep dasar matematika SD untuk kelas 1 dan 3, dan juga multimedia di dalam konsep dan penerapan teknologi multimedia, meliputi rekayasa unsur teks, suara grafis, video, dan animasi. Adapun sampel pembelajaran yang akan dilihat di dalam tampilan video ini adalah diambil dari konsep dasar matematika sekolah dasar dengan 3 SKS. Adapun deskripsinya adalah konsep dasar matematika sekolah dasar ini merupakan keberlanjutan dari pembelajaran konsep dasar untuk matematika di kelas rendah yang dimana pembelajaran akan berlangsung untuk membantu memfasilitasi siswa sekolah dasar kelas 4 sampai kelas 6. Dan di dalam pembelajaran ini tentu saja akan direlasikan juga dengan kehidupan sehari-hari, sehingga ketika mahasiswa melihat fenomena dan juga observasi, mereka akan juga melihat bagaimana menggunakan ilmu pengetahuan yaitu matematika untuk membantu mengatasi permasalahan di dalam kehidupan mereka sehari-hari. Adapun topik di dalam perkuliahan ini meliputi pengukuran, geometri, dan juga statistika. Terkait dengan pelaksanaan implementasi pengajaran di kelas akan menggunakan DIA, Delivery Interaction Assessment. Delivery, dosen akan menyampaikan materi kepada para mahasiswa dan berinteraksi terkait dengan apa yang disampaikan oleh dosen, dan juga memberikan assessment dengan mengimplementasikan digital teknologi di dalam pengajarannya. Asesmen yang akan dilakukan adalah cut 1 sebesar 30% adalah weekly quiz terkait dengan bahan yang akan diampu oleh para dosen. Kemudian cut 2 adalah 10% adalah di dalam kelompok kerja untuk para mahasiswa di dalam 14 minggu. Kemudian mereka akan memiliki untuk UTS ya adalah 30% untuk topik pengukuran dan geometri di mana adalah 2 dimensi. Dan untuk ujian akhir semesternya adalah dengan topik geometri 3 dimensi dengan dan juga statistika. Teaching sample adalah dari contoh pengajian yang akan dilakukan secara onsite dan Bapak dan Ibu bisa melihat di dalam tayangan selanjutnya. Terima kasih sudah menyaksikan.
When I ask good morning, you need to answer with me morning, like Indonesian version, yeah? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Okay, so how are you today? As we are trying to begin this class, let's try to pray first. Let's pray. Okay, this morning we will try to talk about kind of the area and perimeter. So we'll try to start with the word perimeter. So I would like to give you time to think first about the word perimeter based on what you are understanding about. Okay? I will give you 2 minutes to think, and later on you will try to jot down your ideas in here, so we can get kind of the time that you can think about this. Okay? Time start now. You can do research, you can take a look at your phone, you can try to find out what is the perimeter. Okay? Okay, the time is up. So I would like to let you learn the objective for today. You will learn a little bit about area and perimeter, as later on in the second session you will learn about the shape. So you can lead you to learn more about this one. But again, I would like you to try on in 1 minute, I would like you to speak among your group to talk and discuss some of the insight that you get from your writing about perimeter. Then what comes up with your idea about what perimeter is. 1 minute to talk with your group. Okay, the time is up. So hands up if you wanna try to be voluntary to answer and to give or represent your group member to share. Go ahead. Ready? Yes, please. Kelly.
Okay, I think from our discussion, like the method is a continuous line that forming the boundary of a geometric figure. I think a geometric form, like if there is a square, we will adjust the addition of every boundary, like a plus a plus a and plus a. So,
Thank you. Atlet, please. Additional of boundary line of the shape, yeah. Okay, thank you. Anyone else want to share? To share your insight, perhaps? Go ahead. I will give Kelly time to pick another 4 who will be the next presenter.
maybe yes,
Grace, yes.
Okay, from my group, I guess it's the overall measurement from the outside of areas or shapes. There's
Yes. Outer line that you are need to sum up. Yes. Okay, thank you. One clap for this one. Another one, you can pick another group. Yes. 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 Thank you. One clap. You take out the picture for the shape, which is the square, and then you will try to just add all of the square side, and then also if there is kind of a right angle, there are also the length and the breadth, so you just having kind of the additional for that one, or 2 times L added by 2 times the breadth. Okay, thank you. We can give one clap. We can choose another one. Go ahead. Okay. We have 2 remaining. Yes.
Okay, maybe from our group, perimeter is total length of the boundary of any closed shape. So I guess perimeter is something that is total all of the sides of the shape.
Thank you. Last question. Total length of the shape. Okay, last but not least, yep.
So actually from our group, our discussion results the same is perimeter is the total length of every sides in the shape.
Thank you, Robert, for Moreno. Total length of the shape. So totally similar, yeah, with this one. Okay, so actually you already understand a little bit about this concept, but we'll try to bring you to take a look of the slide over here, as you will be able later on to demonstrate how to teach to the primary students, because it is kind of the building the conceptual understanding to the student. Yeah. So look at this one. If you wanna try to find out the perimeter, let the students try to take a walk. Take a walk around the edge. So when they are take a walk around the edge, they will understand that is the perimeter. The concept is walking around. Okay. So if we have the line and also the breadth over there, 6 and 10. So we will try to take a walk of around the edge. I just try to put one of the pictures over there, right? And then when we are going to go up, the figure will go to the next one. Something like this. Okay, this is the first walk going around. So we have how many numbers for that one? 6. Okay, alright. So then the next one will be 10. It will be 6 and then 16. Yeah, we have here. And then when we are going here, it will be 22. Then the last one will be 22. So if we are asking about the perimeter here, the total length that all of the group agree with us, total length is total length is the how many? 32. Total length of the shape. Thank you for helping. Yeah. So this is all of the total length of the edge. Yeah. Okay, we'll go to the next one. The perimeter, like you are saying, 32 centimeter. Remember, this one is very important. The measurement unit. Don't forget to put the centimeter because every single number we need to have them completed with the measurement units. You already learned about the measurement units last week, so then you understand the next one. Next is this one. You will try to take a round for this shape. What is this?
Triangle.
Triangle, perfect. So I will try to give the triangle page information. So I would like you to try to take a look by walking around to the edge. Yeah. If you are looking at it, so the first one will be edge and then 16 and then 26. So if you are looking at it, means that you get the total length of the shape. Yeah, it's very easy and simple for that one. But the students learn how to do that. Total is 26 centimeters. Now, what figure is it? What do you think? We call it the shapes like that, something blah 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 with one. Yeah. So if we have the five sides, we call as pentagon. 5, 6, hexagon, 7, hexagon, 8, octagon. Excellent. So then you need to come up with the shape that you need to calculate how many of the sides. Octagon. Let's come together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we call this as octagon. Yeah. So the next one, you will try to take a look of the size information. Here it is. So there is inside this 4. But when you are trying to draw to your student, make sure that the side is supposed to be similar, not one larger than the other or longer than the other. It's supposed to be like exact 4 if you are trying to draw to your student. Yeah. So we have 4 and by 4 equals to 8 and then 12 and then 16 and then 20 and then 24 and then 28, yes, and then 32, and this is the perimeter. The perimeter is 32 centimeters. Yeah, clear for this one? Yes. So another shape. What is it? Paramedic. Yes, you can say as a cross. That's fine. Yeah. So when you are looking at this shape, has size of 5 centimeters each. So I would like to give you time to draw and then to find out the answer. Make sure that you are trying to get the concept of walking around the edge in order to find the perimeter. Yes. Would you like to tell your answer and how you get the process?
My answer is 60 because I add all the sides like 5 plus 5 up to and 5 times 12 is
60. Okay, one clap please. Thank you. So that's the way it looks. So let's try to take a look by walk around the edge. So the total of it, we have like you see, we have 12 sides of the edge, and then when we are trying to sum up all of these sides equals to the answer is 60. Yeah. So remember that. Do not tell to the students that, oh, that's not the shape, that's totally wrong. We don't have it. We only have the parallelogram, we have only triangle, we have only another shape. But this is no. Every single shape that you are trying to look at the combine of the shape, that's okay, that's fine. Yeah, it's supposed to be maybe the combine of the square and also the rectangle. That's fine because we are trying to put it as the two-dimensional shape, not three-dimensional shape. Yeah, two-dimensional shape. Okay, so next I would like you to try to draw any kind of the shape that you can do in your paper. Every group will get one of the shape, and then later we will try to exchange to another group to solve the perimeter. Yeah, I give you time to draw and also to send to the other group at least 3 minutes. Yeah.
Udah, udah.
Tadi ada sih kalau kayak gitu. You can the description.
So time for exchange, please find the group that already finished and then let them try to solve it. Go ahead, you can try to deal with something that already done.
Bahkan pas tahu berapa senti itu.
Answer it.
Banyak amat. Enggak betul.
You can consolidate and talk with your group deliberately to solve the problem together.
Kan mereka di sini aja
12 cm. Mau pakai harapan apa enggak? Mau pakai harapan enggak? Langsung aja 12 cm. Berapa dikali?
berarti ini
28.
Answer? That group is not that we can plug it in that, yeah? So now we will try to check on already.
yes sir.
Okay, so already now please return the paper and then let's try to validate, checking all of the score.
Ini balik.
So Graciela's group, how's your group? How's your friends solving the problem? Work? It's correct. Okay, good. How about Mariana's group? It's correct. Okay. How about Kelly's group? Correct. Okay, good. How about your group? Correct. Okay. Last but not least, how about your group? Okay, good. Correct. So we can give claps to all of you. Good job. now we will try to consolidate how to see the word perimeter as area. Remember that the distance around the outside of a shape is called the perimeter. So it's fine for you later on to ask your student to count how many of the perimeter of your classroom, of some of the building, not every single places in your corner in your school, that they can try to explore more about how to find it, the perimeter. And look at we have the kind of the square book like this. It's easy for them to try for finding out the perimeter. Yeah, when we are trying to calculate like this one, maybe how many of the perimeter. Anyone want to try to count for this one? Look at that one. How many of the perimeter for this one? 14. These are 14, yeah? 4 and by 3 and by 4 and by 3, 14, yeah? How about this one? 8, yeah? How about this one? 1, here, the bottom. 21. Is it 21? Yeah. So you are trying to calculate the length and also the breadth for the outline. Clear about this so far? Yes. Perfect. So we'll try to continue. Next, when you are trying to find out the area of a shape, it is like the total surface inside of it, inside of the square. Yeah. Let's count the amount of a square. So if we are looking at this one, how many squares inside of the rectangle? 30? How about the next one here? We are starting from the top here. 4. How about down? 6 and then 8. So the students will understand the difference of the experiencing finding out the perimeter and also the area, right? So when we are trying to give the measurement units, we will put some of the centimeter. When we need to calculate by multiply, we are putting as centimeter square. Yeah. So we can work out the area by multiplying the length of a shape of its width. So it's why they need to understand the concept of multiplication is the additional. When they are trying to additional the number, yeah, number additional one. So 4 times 5 is 23 square centimeter. Yeah, square centimeter. The next one, the top one up. We have 3 and also we have 4. 12 square centimeter. The next one, 8 square centimeter. Here. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times 1, 2, 3. 21 square centimeters. Last but not least, this one, 16. So 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4. So 4 times 4 is 16 square centimeters. Clear about this so far? Okay. Open in the Moodle. In the Moodle, between the quizzes and word wall, yeah, you will try to answer and try to check how many of the number that you get, kind of the full score. So every single one, if you get full score, means you get 10, then you need to calculate how many of the things, yeah. For example, when you open the word wall here, you will try to see perimeter quiz, right? Then find out 4 questions from here. How many? Remember, we already differentiate between perimeter and area. Then I will get the quiz for today as your total score. Yeah. Make sure that you are looking at the Moodle and then for the activity 4. Yeah. All the best. You can try to start from here, the first thing, second thing, third thing, fourth thing, and fifth thing.
So we open all.
Yes, you need to do it all. Final score. Then, that you can try to hope that if 6 minutes enough for you. I hope that use your time. The second one, if you want to try to change the mode to the quiz, that's fine also. Like this here, interactive, right? There is the word quiz also. You can try to change the template into the quiz, so you can get the way like this. If the flip task makes you confused, so you can change it into some of the way. We have some of the template that is really suitable for you. Which one that is easy for you to work it out. Thank you for being out. So I will summarize, close later you can continue on. So first of all, what did you learn? Please tell to me 1 until 2 sentence or insight based on area and perimeter that you learned today. Anyone want to try to share those? What do you think? So what did you learn today about area and perimeter?
Perimeter is total length of the shape, or example wall around the edge. And the area is times by side times by side.
Okay, thank you. One clap. More, I would like to give to Biru. So Biru, tell me the insight that you learned for today's your aha or something that you learned.
Simple way that they can know what we teach for them. Like with the perimeter, we should do like we will decide like that.
Thank you. One clap. Yeah, so that's it for today, our class. So we'll try to close it first in prayer. Yeah, let's pray. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you for giving us such an insight, and today we are finished our lesson. Please bless each one of us as we will continue to the next activity. In your name we pray, Amen. Okay, thank you so much. Good morning all, and take your break. Thank you.